Over the past 2 days, we've been looking at DWAC and what happened in the past week. What I want to do today is give you guys a bit of a preparation of what we could be expecting going into next week. Now, before we do enter the video, a few things to note. The first one is that this is, of course, nothing but speculation. It cannot be guaranteed where the stock is going, and of course, it is a very risky stock anyway. I think you guys should remember that because, with this company, it can move up very quickly, but it can also move down just as fast. So be aware of the risk, and also remember I am not a financial advisor and this is clearly not financial advice. So manage your risk appropriately, and I definitely would suggest that you do not invest more than you're willing to lose, because again, whilst it can go up, it definitely can go down. But if this sounds like a good video, make sure to leave a like at it and subscribe, because we are going to be talking about this stock all the way through next week. So again, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and two other things. If you do enjoy it here, please do become a member by pressing the join button, and we are also doing a fundraiser right now for Save the Children. And so far, we have managed to raise $240 for Save the Children. Let's try get up to $300. Can somebody donate, and can we get up to $300 donated? But thank you guys for everything so far. Again, 100% of the funds do go towards Save the Children and improving children's lives. But yeah, now we're going to dive into the video and have a look at this stock over the past couple of days. So what we're going to do is quickly look at the simple chart and then move on to what I'm expecting into next week. So there's no need to do an in-depth technical analysis here, but what I want to focus on is just a simple trend in the past week. So the Friday brought us down by about 18%. This brought us down by $15, which does sound like a big drop, but when you look at how this one has been moving in the past week or so, it really isn't too big at all, because you will see that we are down from these highs, but initially we are still up because the stock was previously valued at $10. So bear in mind, this is a SPAC stock. I understand that a lot of people are anticipating a lot of good things for the company. I completely do get that, but I think obviously with it being a SPAC stock and with the merger not happening yet, we're just basically speculating on this stock and where it is going next. So how would I play this one initially? Well, for me, I would play this one as a swing trade. I understand that some people are seeing this one as a long-term investment, and I do think, there is an argument for that. But from what I have seen with SPACs in the past, what we often have is we have big rises up like what we have seen here. We have a big push up until the merger date, and then once the merger happens, we do start to drop back down. And for that reason, if I was looking to invest in this one, I'd be looking to either day trade it or swing trade it. With this company, I understand it is quite volatile, so I do see the potential of it being a day trade here and there. For example, if you'd bought in here at $68, you could have made money all the way up to $74, which would have given you some decent profits. So again, I'm not going to give prices because I think giving exact prices is very hard with this stock in particular. But yeah, day trading is something that's possible here in my opinion, and swing trading is definitely the way to go in my personal beliefs as well. So what I'd be looking for with the stock in the next week, and again, like I said, I'm not going to be giving numbers, but I am going to be looking at the indicators into this week and where the trends are going based on those. But obviously I'd be looking to buy in low and sell high. So what I'm expecting into next week is a potential of a small drop. I think this one could possibly push down a little bit lower. Now again, where the lows of the stock are going to be is quite unclear, because we haven't really been at this price for very long. I think that is something that we should remember. But once we do start to find those lows, I think there definitely is going to be a second rebound for the stock. Now overall, like I said, it's very hard to predict, but I do think this week could potentially be green for the company. I can see us seeing a little bit of a drop on Monday, but I don't think that's too big of a deal. But ultimately, from Monday, if we do start to see some stabilization towards the end of day on Monday, that is a good sign. And again, possibly a bit more of a rise, because bear in mind, we are starting to find a level where we are comfortable with this stock. I do understand the fact that it could drop a little bit more as people get a bit of that FOMO from where we have been moving, but I also understand the potential of this one pushing up much higher in the future. So is this stock over? I personally do not think it is over at all. I think there is still some more potential, but again, if you are looking to buy this one, I definitely would say be very careful, as it could go down just as quickly as it has gone up. So again, it's just been a quick video where I share a few of my thoughts, but thank you for watching this one. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Goodbye. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes, and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.